I would like to thank Sports Champ for inviting me for Sports Talk by Young Champions to share my sports journey, to help inspire or guide many other young champions. My name is Kanda Patni. I am from Anand Memorial School, Raiwala. I've been playing table tennis for 3 years now. I was ranked 3rd in under 15 girls and 7th in under 19 girls last year in my state. Recently I played state games where I won a bronze in team event and a bronze in double event. So my sports journey started when I was 5 years old. My parents enrolled me to karate classes. In the sport I played nationals, then I switched to cricket and then to archery. But when I switched to table tennis, it was like a love at first sight. Ever since then I have been playing table tennis and I totally love the sport. Now the biggest challenge I faced in my sports journey, and I still do sometimes, is handling my emotions. During my sports journey, I learned that the more control you have over your emotions, even during your day-to-day life, the more control you have over yourself during a match or crucial parts of your match, or even during a day when you are not performing that well and you really need to practice. So in order to overcome it, I try to keep myself occupied or keep my emotions very neutral when I am happy, angry or sad. So the biggest thing I learned from sports is discipline is irreplaceable. Without discipline, nothing can be achieved, not even only in sports, but at every aspect of your life. You need discipline to succeed. There will not always be external force pushing you towards your goal. You are working for your own success and you need to motivate yourself and keep yourself disciplined in order to succeed. So my support system was pretty big actually. It included my parents, my coaches and my friends. They all stood like a brick for me during hard times, happy times, every time. My parents were definitely the biggest support system I had, even at home and even in the sports. When matches, when I lost, they were very supportive every time. They encouraged me to play sports. They, as I told you before, they were the only one that started my sports journey. Otherwise I wouldn't have been playing table tennis. So balancing academics and sports were actually not a big deal for me, at least till 10th. I used to give 2 hours of study daily, 2 hours for my extracurriculars and 4 hours for my table tennis. So that helped me score pretty good in my boards and also perform good for my sports. So in table tennis, I want to get into the top 10, top 20 ranking of India. And in academics, I want to pursue medicine or research in neuroscience because I want to understand the human brain more. So, and yes, I do wish to make a career in table tennis if everything goes well, while keeping my studies alongside. Even if I won't be able to make a career out of table tennis, I will never let table tennis out of my life. So my request to all the parents out there is that to enroll your kids into your sports as early as possible. If you are a sports person yourself, I bet you already have your kid in the sport or any other sport. But sports are the greatest teacher. They will make your kid teach himself or herself about many things in her life, such as discipline, and every lesson is unique for every single kid. Every single kid has a different experience in sports, and that experience helps them distinguish themselves from the crowd or all the people out there, that helps them succeed in their life. Thank you everyone.